In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram message, and it's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, whenever you go on Telegram, if there's something that, isn't being displayed, it could be for various reasons. And to change this, you can't actually do anything inside the application. So what you want to do is log into your Telegram account through a browser. So all you want to do is go to your browser of choice and then go to Telegram login and then Telegram web. Now it's just going to ask for your country, which is United Kingdom for me, and then it's going to ask for your mobile number. Now, once you've typed that in, you're going to be logged in. But here, all you want to do is on the top left, press those three little lines, then go over to settings. Then from settings, scroll down, and then you're going to see privacy and security. So go ahead and click on that. Then just scroll down even more, and then you're going to see sensitive content. Now, I've enabled show 18+ content, and this might be disabled for you. So if you want to be able to see anything on Telegram, you want to make sure that this is checked, and that way no media will be hidden from you or your account, and this works for your app as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.